Hello guys, so welcome back to Versethetic Academy, and today I'll be showing us how to sublimate a tumbler. So this is the tumbler we are going to be working on today. Alright, I'm going to start by putting my paper into the printer. You have to use a sublimating paper, by the way. And then I'm getting my design. This is the design that I want sublimated on the tumbler. So I'm trying to get my design ready for printing. On our next video, I'm going to show us in detail how to do this, how to get your design ready for printing. Okay, it's not that difficult, but I think you just have to practice it long enough to get used to it actually. And guess what, guys? This is actually my second sublimation work. So let's see how it goes. So my design is getting printed. Please, if you're new here, I'd like you to subscribe, because in this channel we'll have a lot to teach and we have a lot to learn from each other. So if you're into sublimation or printing, I'll just love you to subscribe to this channel so that we can learn and interact with each other. And if you have any questions, you can also drop it at the comment section and we'll try to answer them. Okay, so my design is coming out of the printer, as you can see. The image is mirrored. For sublimation, your image has to be mirrored. If not, it will come out reverse, in a reverse form. So but when you mirror it, it will come out exactly the way it's supposed to be. So our design is out and this is how it should look. Okay, now I'm going to try to get it wrapped on my tumbler. It's looking quite big, and since we don't want any lapses, because it has to fit exactly to the tumbler, there shouldn't be any spaces, because if there are spaces it might affect the work. So I'm trying to trim the sublimation paper, the design on the paper, trying to trim it so that it can just fit into the tumbler without any excesses or any remain. Yeah, I'm still trying to trim it to fit. I think finally I got what I wanted, and so I'm going to paste it on the tumbler or glue it to the tumbler. And there's a mistake I made with this particular tape, and we'll see the result of that mistake at the end of the video. Okay. So I'm trying to set my my tumbler press to the appropriate temperature and right timing. The appropriate temperature for this is 100, and the appropriate temperature for this tumbler is 180 degrees Celsius, and for just 60. So after the heating, you allow your tumbler cool off. So I allowed my tumbler cool off for like 30 minutes before removing the tape. And see the mistake I told you about this particular tape. Okay, if you know the reason why there are yellow lines, just drop it in the comment section. Let's know. Just share with us if you know why there are yellow line stains on the tumbler at the end. Just drop your comment on the session and let us share this knowledge together. Thank you so much for watching till the end, and hope to see you in our next video. Please do well to subscribe. Drop your comments, drop your questions. Bye.